That's life in general. You can't get away from the wrinkles.
Can't get away from the wrinkles. We're doing video, right? Excellent. So we're going to continue with our store. You've probably seen the professionals have done everything that they need to do. Now it's our turn to figure out what we're doing. The main thing we're doing today is we're going to use our 2x6s and use our 2x6s. You can see that over there?
Yeah.
We've got the metal frame in
You're
here.
pointing at a window that's off camera.
We've got the metal frame right here. We're going to use 2x6s to make a wood frame and then put in the window, make sure we use some flashing on there, and get this one done and this one and probably the doorway. Hey, if we can, we'll get all of them framed out, maybe get everything put in today if possible. But we'll see how it goes, because it always takes 2 to 1,468 times longer than you think it will. But yeah, we're gonna give it a shot. We'll put you on super speed. I'm sure you'll see us working on this. We have a few friends out here too. I'm sure you'll see them hanging around too.
The furry friends.
The furry friends, yes. These screws can't handle it. See if we're successful on this one. Deck screws are tougher.
There you have it.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. One wooden frame.
Now it's time to flash.
3 hours. Oh, I'm wrong. 4 hours.
I just ran to the hardware store.
Yes.
Flashing. Time to flash everybody. I want to get that off there. Oh, I have my gloves. Never mind. I was gonna say I want to get that off there, but I don't want to touch it because. Yeah. Morganon. He's got such a cute little voice. He's demanding attention.
Riser cat.
I can't get this apart.
Super Morganite. You can.
You. Look at that, it's level.
Huh? It's level?
Look at that, it's level.
Oh, thank God. We didn't look at that to begin with.
You almost got it.
Oh. Well, this is good stuff.
Good sticky stuff. Morganon. Look at that. Now you got a place to sit. What do you think?
Bottom first,
Bottom first.
then the
And
sides.
up to like that high. So we need a piece that long. Come on. And then we want to come out halfway on this. The inside, so we got it right. There you go. Just like that. Just like the profile's so thick.
Huge.
Huge.
Freaking huge profile.
All right, now we need the level and screws. Supposed to clown. Okay. There's that, and this. It's level. Yes, it is. Look right there.
Yeah, okay. It's good enough.
What's the matter, Arthur? Hi.
Give me the driver.
The driver. So this was our first window like this,
First window like this.
because all of our other windows have been like on the cat shed or the chicken coop, chicken coop and the cat shed. So they
And-
haven't needed to be sealed.
So you know, we started this about 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Hmm
It is currently 6:24 p.m. 3 days later. We finally finished it.
3 days later. No, it's the same day, but it took a lot longer than we thought it was going to.
Yeah.
But it's our first time.
It was a learning process. We had a lot of issues.
Mainly
we
the
had-
screws.
We had a couple halfway decent drill bits, but the steel frame we had in here was a lot stronger than we expected. So we went through 1 or 2 drill bits, but they weren't really designed to go through heavy duty metal like this. The big problem was we bought some special screws specifically designed to go through wood and metal and plastic or anything. And the type that has all the different types of, you know, basically threading on it to do that kind of stuff, it just wasn't strong enough. I guess it wasn't designed for this kind
Heavy
of thick
duty
metal.
steel, yeah.
But we tried several times. Up on the top, we broke 4, 5 easily. We were only successful with getting 4 in. So it's like, okay, we need to go someplace, find something better. We went a couple different places. We tried finding bigger, stronger screws, possibly self-tapping screws. None of them were long enough because we were using 2x6. And we just came back, we tried the deck screws, and they seemed to be, at least the core of those, it was significantly tougher, so they worked for this whole process. So we used those. Once we figured everything out, we got the right drill bits, Cobalt drill bits, and then we used the deck screws. We were able to get the 2x6s on there relatively quickly. Once we did that, then it was a matter of making sure we, you know, had the right spacing for the window, got it level, got it in there, and then we used the same deck screws to screw it into the wood itself.
Yeah.
And then the zip tape was a whole nother process.
Yeah. But I think it looks really good. I think we
Mhm.
figured it out.
Figured it out.
And
Rolled it.
Other four, we rolled it with Z roller.
Z roller.
It puts a little tiny Z on it.
Yeah.
See,
Little
there's-
itty bitty Z.
Itty bitty Z's right there.
Yeah. So
So
that
when you
worked.
roll it, it puts a little tiny Z on it.
And that was semi-stressful also, trying to make sure we did it right and all. Try not to have too many wrinkles in it. We did. You can't get away from the wrinkles. I guess they don't really matter in the long run.
That's life in general. You can't get away from the wrinkles.
Can't get away from the wrinkles. But yeah, you know, with that,
And I took the screen off so we can put it in the wood shop until all the construction's done.
yeah,
That way the screens don't get messed up.
right, because we've got cats, outdoor cats. We may never put the
Well,
screens on.
Well, that's a possibility too. But
We may use hardware cloth instead of screen.
But on the inside, we have our 4 inches roughly still sticking out down here. Gosh, the lighting's so bad. So we still have about basically 4 inches. So that'll allow us to do our 2x4 wall meet up with this. So once we get all the windows and the door in, then we'll be able to make our wall.
Yeah,
But yeah, these windows are nice.
do our walls, put our marble tile on the walls.
We're not putting marble tile on.
Not marble tile?
No. It's too dark in here to film,
Gold plated.
but it looks good.
Yeah.
So now we just have 4 more windows and a door.
Can you see from this angle? Right down over there?
All
That
the
was-
dead screws
Those are all
now.
the dead screws that didn't.
I don't know if they can see that or not. It's just so dark in here. It's gonna be good. So 1 done, 4 to go, and a door. Plus a door. We have to paint the door before we can put it on. But we're waiting for warmer weather. We've had really cold weather lately. It's not good for painting.
I'm just looking at our progress.
Yeah,
I figure another, what would I say, about 32 more hours?
we'll have
the
5 more
windows.
days.
5 more days?
One
Yeah.
day for each thing.
Yeah, pretty much. 1 day per window. And we'll just keep
We'll
going.
get faster at it.
Yeah, we'll get faster. We have all the right tools now.
Yeah,
That's good.
we know what to use.
Yeah. But We will see you later.